Start today, even if you are not ready. Today, I want to share a powerful idea. Starting matters more than being ready. Perfection is optional, action is everything. Jeff Bezos didn't wait for the certainty when he launched Amazon from his garage. He simply began. Now, this raises an important question. What does readiness really means? The truth is nobody feels fully ready. Skills are developed after you start, not before. Waiting kills more dreams than failure ever will. Think about it. 92% of people abandon their goals because they wait for perfect moment. And J.K. Rowling faced 12 publisher rejections before Harry Potter succeeded. Imagine if she had waited to feel ready. What could happen? Readiness isn't required. Then why is starting so important? Let's look at that aspect. Starting creates momentum, something you can't get from thinking or planning alone. Confidence grow only through action, not overthinking. And those small imperfect steps you take today eventually turned into a big wins. Elon Musk launched SpaceX with minimal rocket science experience. And he learned by doing, failing again and again, but moving forward. So the best practice is writing down your goals because as per one of our research, writing down and starting goals increase success by 42%. And speaking of learning by doing, let's look at how progress actually happens. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about practice. Mistakes aren't failure, they are lessons. Every attempt makes you better than yesterday. Thomas Edison said, I haven't failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work. It's completely okay to start slow. Success isn't determined by speed. It's okay to be new. Every expert was once a beginner, and it's okay to grow publicly. Transparency built trust and connection. What actually matters is showing up. Sophia, the founder of Nesty Girl, started with zero experience. She simply began. And with all that in mind, it's time to talk about what really matters. Taking the first step. Start now. Start scared. Start messy. But start. Progress only begins the moment you move. Science even show that taking action reduce the fear and procrastination more effectively than planning. Every creator, entrepreneur, or leader you admire begin imperfectly. Your journey will start as soon as you decide to take your first step. I hope you get enough motivation to start now. Thank you so much for watching.